Hi there, what's up? In this video, we will be comparing Zoho Mail and Google Workspace so you will know which email solution is right for your business or team. So for the first one, which is user interface, for Zoho Mail, as you can see, it is simple, it is clean, and it is focused on email. And for Google Workspace, it has integrated interface with Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, AI features, and so on. For the features, Zaha Mail has email, calendar, tasks, notes, and less collaboration tools. For Google Workspace, it has docs, sheets, slides, meet, chat, AI assistants, and so on. For the storage, Zoho Mail has 5 gig to 30 gig per user depending on the plan, and for Google Workspace, it has 30 gig to 2 terabytes per user depending on the plan as well. So for the pricing, Zoho Mail, uh, it has $1 to $4 plan a month, and for Google Workspace, $6 to $18 a month. And for security, Zoho Mail has standard encryption and two-factor authentication. On the other hand, Google Workspace has advanced AI security, phishing detection, and two-factor authentication. So if you are budget conscious, then you should go ahead and choose Zoho Mail. But if your team needs productivity and collaboration, then Google Workspace is the best for you. And that's basically just it. And I hope you found this comparison helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.